SF have completed yet another successful pre-delivery inspection of a high-speed weighing and tray filling line for dates. The product is manually fed to the line by an operator. The feed system is designed to feed the high-level vibrator, which meters the product into the multi-head weigher. The product level is continuously monitored through a level sensor to control the feed. The Ashida multi-head weigher has been carefully selected to handle sticky dates, and the radial feeders have a special coating to prevent the product sticking to the pan. The hoppers have also been specified with rigidized doors, which also prevents the product from sticking. The product is dropped into the SF distribution system, which has been designed with a follower to present the product to the trays at high speed. The filled trays are then transported onto a takeaway conveyor to feed a carton closing system. For more information on any of our solutions, please call us today.